say that's the hall.
We're not here just yet, but we are still in the spirit of wonderful things, okay? Autumn things, bourbon things, okay? So we're here back with our mini segments, and this particular recipe is the Porch Swing. Don't know how to feel about this. It's giving me summery vibes.
Shout out to Woodford Reserve. We got this off your website, so
Yes.
hopefully it tastes good, and hopefully, you know, you have good things to say after this.
Well, I will say that Woodford is one of my favorite bourbon brands.
I definitely agree. That's all we want to say.
You know, I can't be mad. I'm sure it's gonna be tasty. So let's run through the ingredients, and then we're gonna get started. So obviously, yes, you're free to use any bourbon you want to, but we're gonna be using bourbon. This is Woodford bourbon, excuse me. And it was inspired by them. So
yeah, we're gonna see the process all the way through.
Exactly. Some peach tea. If you want to make it, that's cool.
That's your business.
I'm not doing it, but you know, do you? Okay.
We're all about simpleton.
Honey. Okay. And some lemon juice. All right. And besides that, you just need your shaker with ice and a stir to get things going. And of course, your vessel of choice.
Yeah. Look for recommended tall glasses, but we're gonna use these because this is what we got.
It's what we got, and mechanically, it seems easier for us. Well, me, I can't speak for her. She's coordinating.
At the end of the day, it all gonna taste the same, right?
I believe so. So let's get started. Okay, 1.5 ounces of the Woodford Reserve. So, and plus it's just such a chic bottle, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I maybe made that 2 ounces, but that's right. Just a little something, you know, a little something.
You said 1.5 though, right?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It was actually 1.5.
Talking to me today.
The ancestors, they really be helping us out most of the time. Sometimes, you know, 3/4 ounce of our lemon juice.
Oh, look, Woodford, we don't measure when it's not a half ounce.
But I will say this, you know, if you do have the opportunity to try fresh, I know we've been going in on fresh, but if you do have the opportunity to try fresh lemon juice, you should do that. It does make a difference, but at the same time, it's what we got. Give me that peach tea.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the recipe calls for 6 parts, all right? So I'm thinking if you have like a larger glass or whatever, this is more so gonna be suited to you. We're gonna do 3 parts, okay? Which is 3 ounces in this case. You grab the right thing, Lord. Oh, so that's like 2, and I'm gonna do another. Okay, it was kind of like 2 3/4, I don't know. I eyeballed it. Oh yeah, I forgot about the honey, child. I forgot about the honey. Three. Yeah.
My hands are grabbing on this.
Yeah. She gonna make it. I don't know. All right. Okay, so we got through that, and we just need to. Oops, there you go. And with the honey, I'm gonna pour this directly in because it always gets stuck on my mixer. So it's about 1/2 ounce. So. Okay.
And what was that?
About 1/2 ounce. You know, eyeball it, child. And I'm gonna start stirring now, so by the time you get done, that you're able to get this. Well, it didn't quite work out time-wise, but that was my thought. So, if you've watched any of our episodes and seen our adventures, you'll see that whenever we do a recipe with honey, we tend to stir.
It's not a good look.
Even if like it says to shake, we tend to stir because look,
Yeah,
because it gets stuck like right on the stir part. So I'm just trying to get it, because obviously there's a point, there's a reason you asked for honey in the recipe. So I want to make sure that I'm actually able to taste the honey.
Very. It's still on the spoon, ain't it?
It is.
So ghetto. Disrespectful. Disrespectful.
All right, I did as best I could. You're gonna have some leftover honey. Another thing that I just it's because it's thicker. So the other thing that you could do, if you still want to use honey, is you could sort of do like an equal parts honey to water ratio and make it more of a syrup. And that can still give you the honey flavor. Maybe not as powerful though, so I will put that out there. But it's an alternative to help you through. Yeah.
I can feel it thick on the bottom.
I'm gonna pour mine because I'm also worried about it like re-sticking.
Yeah. It's about one of those timing things. All right, hurry up. I'm about to go on.
Not the bottom.
Oh wait, I'm actually sure.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Why do I have more than you? You have something. The math is not mathing.
I don't know. But the color is the same. So we'll say that.
It requires a peach.
Oh yeah, so if you want to garnish this appropriately, slice a peach.
Sorry, Whipper, we work with what we got.
I might have overlooked the peach part. Sorry. But here we go. I like this. Okay.
It's good because even if we didn't do the 6th part, it still tastes good.
So one of my concerns with the 6 parts ratio for the peach tea was I was gonna like totally miss the bourbon. And I do still want to taste the bourbon. I think the 3 parts allows me to still get that bourbon taste.
Yeah.
This definitely reminds me of summertime. I know that it's past for us, and we're looking fondly ahead to 2024. Like, oh. But this is definitely a summer, like a late spring summer vibe. It's called Porch Swing, so I would envision you, if you have a porch, you want me in a swing, and you just neighbor watching,
Right.
pour you a glass of this.
Right.
So, yeah, you should start.
Wow, all of that, you ain't gonna leave that with a score? Okay. For me, Woodford Reserve is one of the bourbons that I go to. I definitely love Woodford Reserve. It's always in my cabinet. This is definitely good. Now, can this sneak up on you? I do declare, yes, it will, because I ain't gonna hold you. It does taste like juice, but I can also taste it in a bourbon. So with that being said, I like this. I'm gonna give this a solid 9. I like this.
Yes.
Woodford, you definitely did good. I never expected anything different, but you did great. Like, I like it. So on to you, sis.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna agree with you right on the number. I would also give this a 9. The flavor's just good. I mean, it's really refreshing. You also get the peach without it being too peachy.
Right.
That's the thing. Probably because it's the peach tea, right?
Right.
So I get all of those elements, like literally everything I'm supposed to be tasting, I feel like I taste. So I have nothing to complain about. I think it's a solid drink. Really tasty. So you guys should try it as well. And you should let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At some point in the near future, we will do another poll so y'all can.
Yeah, we're gonna do another poll, but we have to like reel y'all back in.
Listen,
Cause it's
I know you guys be trying to get us with the yak and stuff. We did yak.
we did yak.
Okay. So Hennessy's retired until next year. Okay, not even messing with it right now. But our point is, we gotta try some different things out there that we haven't got to.
So let us know what you would like us to try for the year 2024.
Yeah.
Well, we ain't even finished.
We're not finished 2023 yet, but start brainstorming.
Yeah.
Because a fresh year is upon us, and we are eagerly awaiting your ideas. We might even try to redo some ones where we had some major bloopers.
Yeah.
You're gonna hop in your recipe
Because we've been doing this for what? 2-3 years now?
Yeah. I know we've only been like officially releasing videos 1 year, but it's been about 2 or 3 years in development. So, like I said, we're always trying to hear from you guys and listen to what you want to see. So with that being said, we're gonna enjoy our porch swing. You should try it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Deuces.
Yeah.